Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fajar Adisha Putra from class 19 to C. I will I will present about my PPT inside the computer. A computer means computer are made up of different components, all doing an individual job or function. Think of it as an office where we've got the personal department, accounts, sales, buying, etc. They all have their own part to play within the business. They separate but working together. Inside the computer, there are five main components: the motherboard, the central processing unit (CPU), random access memory (RAM), storage hard drive, and power supply. Without these five parts, you simply don't have a computer. The motherboard. The motherboard sometimes referred to as the mainboard, or simply MOBO, is a large printed circuit board. Its job is to connect all the devices on your computer to each other. Everything inside and outside of the PC connects to the motherboard and through the motherboard to every other component. CPU, the central processing unit, sometimes called the CPU or simply processor, is the brains of the machine. Virtually everything you do on your computer runs through the CPU. Central processing unit, sometimes called the CPU or simply processor, is the brains of the machine. Virtually everything you do on your computer runs through the CPU. The CPU is mounted onto the motherboard in a socket. Most of the time it's simply plugged in, but occasionally it's soldered into place. Looking carefully at the lens wires on the motherboard, you will see that the most of them lead to the processor, either directly or indirectly. It's the CPU that actually runs all the programs on your computer, including Windows itself for desktop and laptop computer. There are two main manufacturers of CPU, Intel and AMD. RAM, random access memory, often called RAM or simply memory, is the space in which the CPU works. Now, RAM is often confused with storage. Instead, work at the end memory. RAM or memory has got nothing at all to do with how many pictures or songs you can save onto the computer. In computer, when we use the term memory, we're talking about RAM. The space in which you will save all your stuff is generally called storage. It's easy to get the two confused. RAM or memory provides an area for the CPU to work in. Every program, including Windows itself, is loaded into RAM in order to work. Random access memory, the CPU has to process everything you see on screen, but it simply can handle the sheer weight of data flooding into it. So the CPU offloads that data into RAM or memory. Computer storage. Now we're getting to the component that we use to save all our files onto. Inside a computer, all your document, pictures, music, etc. are saved onto a device called a hard drive. Its general term is storage, as in how much data can the computer store. Hard drives can be called hard disk, local disk, C drives, storage drives. They all refer to the something. There are two different types of hard drives. This die, still the most common type, is the traditional spinning type of the drive. Software and operating system. What is system software? System software is a main part of any computer system. It consists of programs that manage the the computer. The component acting as a bridge between the user hardware, application software, system software, and ensures the smooth operating of the entire computer system. This primary role is to coordinate various hardware elements and provide a stable environment for other software to run. System software handles essential tasks like managing memory, processing data, and controlling input atau output operations. Taking care of this fundamental function allow user to interact with the computer more easily and enables application software to perform specific tasks effectively. In essence, system software form the foundation upon which all other software relies, making it an indispensable part of modern computing. What is what is an operating system? The operating system is a fundamental piece of software that serves as the core of a computer system. It acts an intermediary between the user computer hardware and application software. When the computer is turned on the operating system, the first program to start initiated by BOS, Basic Input atau Output System. Its primary role is to manage the computer resources including hardware, component memory, and storage. The operating has a user-friendly and environment that allows people to interact with the computer, run application, and utilize various hardware features. Handles important tasks such as allocating system resource, managing file, and controlling input and output operation. By taking their by taking care of this function, the operation system creates a stable platform for the other software to run on, making it an indispensable component of any computer system. The operating system acts as the central coordinator, ensuring all parts of the computer work together smoothly and efficiently. Difference between system software and operating system software. System software is the software which manages the resource and makes the interaction between a user and machine possible is system software. System software manages the system. Operating system. An operating system is a software that communication with your computer hardware, provides a Play Store application. Operating system manages system as well as system software. Types of system software: operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, device drivers, display drivers, USB drivers, firmware, BOS, embedded system, language translator, compiler, interpreter, assembler, utility, antivirus software, WinRAR. Types of operating system: multiprocessing operating system, multiprogramming operating system, multitasking operating system, time sharing operating system, real-time operating system, distributed operating system, network operating system. Thank you.